Hello students, this is your revision class and the first chapter is operating system, right? So before going to the operating system in detail, first of all you should know what is software, okay? And software is not a new word for you, since in the previous classes you have listened the terms hardware, softwares, users, like that. Okay, so here we talk about the software. Software is the thing we can define in simple words is a set of programs. Okay, software is a set of programs. Now, when we talk about the types of the software, so software is classified into two categories. Okay, as you can see on the board. First one, system software, and another one is application software. So here, when we talk about the system software, so how can we define the term system software? System softwares are the softwares, those are defined to manage and control the overall activities of the computer system. Okay? I repeat it, system software is a set of programs that are designed to manage and control the overall activities of the computer system. Okay? Now when we talk about the application software, so we can say application software is a set of programs which is designed to perform a certain task. Now we allocate both system software and application software in detail. So here you can see system softwares. There are various types of system softwares. So first one, operating system, which is the title of this chapter, right? Device driver, utility software. So these are few system softwares. Now, first we talk about the operating system. Okay? How can we define the term operating system? Operating system is a set of programs which provides an interface between the hardware and the user. Okay, there are two ends. Okay, if you can take example of a river, so there are two ends of a river. How one can move from one end to another end? We need a bridge. Okay, so here there are two ends. One is user, another end is hardware, and here hardware and user we have to connect both ends. How can we do it? For this we need a software, and that software is called operating system. Okay, so in simple words we can say, we can define the operating system. Operating system is one of the system software, is a set of programs which manage and control the overall activities of the computer system. Okay, here you can see application software is also given, right? So what is the role of operating system and what is the role of application software and what is the relation between them, right? So here first if we take the example of computer, so when you start the computer, so after few seconds, after some process, you will get the Windows, okay? You will get the desktop. From here you can start your working. Now here, if we talk about the operating system, so here you can see, this is the interface. It provides the connectivity between the hardware and the user. And also it provides the connectivity between the user, hardware and application software. Okay, so operating system plays as a role central processor. Okay, the central, right? So here when we talk about the operating system, so I think you have understood what is operating system. Now next is device driver. When you use the computer, so sometimes you use printer, sometimes you use any other hardwares, even USB devices like pen drive or etc. So device driver, as the name implies, the driver which drives the device. So how can we understand this word? It means device driver is also a set of programs, since this is the part of the software, and software is a set of programs, as I already told you. So device driver is a set of program which is used to operate a certain device, right? Now next is utility softwares. Okay, so these are the few system softwares, and you have to go in detail about the operating system. This is the brief introduction. Now we talk about the application software also. So application software is a set of program which is designed to perform a certain task, and it can be classified into two categories: pre-written application software and custom made application software. So pre-written application softwares like MS Word, Microsoft Word you use for any documentation, Microsoft Excel you use for accounting purpose, right? PowerPoint we use to make the presentations. So all these are known as pre-written application softwares. Why they are application softwares? Since if we talk about the MS Word is used to create a document. If you have to create a letter, if you have to write an application, so you can do this thing in MS Word by typing in a simple manner. If we talk about the MS Excel, Microsoft Excel, so Excel is one of the accounting package. Okay, we cannot design any application or any document like letter in MS Excel. So MS Excel is doing a certain task, MS Word is doing a certain task, right? In the same way, if we talk about the PowerPoint is used to make the presentations. The presentation we designed in the PowerPoint, we cannot do the same task in MS Word or MS Excel, right? So you can understand all they perform a certain task. Now second category is custom made application software. So here you can see the example. If you have to design an application or a software to perform the activities in a hotel, so we need hotel management system, hospital management system. If you have to automate all activities in a hospital, so we designed the required software that is called hospital management system, falls in the category of custom made application software. In the same way, if we talk about the telephone billing system, if we talk about the electricity billing system, if we talk about the payroll management system, all they are called custom made application software. Since they perform, we can do the certain task. Okay, the electricity bill we cannot generate by hotel management system. Okay, the activities of the hotel we cannot maintain by electricity billing system, right? So they perform a certain task. That is why they fall in the category of application software, right? Now we again take this figure here. So here you can see one thing, as I told you, operating system is an interface between the hardware and the user. Okay, and apart from that, you can take a simple example. Like suppose you have to listen a music, right? So when you listen a music, simultaneously the software, okay, by which you listen a music, that is also one of the application software. Okay, simultaneously you are also doing the work on the internet. You are surfing, you are chatting. Okay, meanwhile you start to type a letter or application. So all these things are going simultaneously, parallel. Okay, question is who is responsible to coordinate them? All they are application softwares. So here again operating system plays very important role. Okay, it coordinates the activities of application softwares also. Okay, so we can say finally operating system is one of the system software and it manage or control the overall activities of a computer system by starting up to shut down the machine. Okay, so now I conclude this topic and the next topic you will see in the next video. Thank you.